The city of Spokane, in eastern Washington, features the beautiful Spokane River running through its center. In addition to its beauty, this river brings along with it the need for several bridges to facilitate the moving of people and commerce. Of the many bridges built over the river throughout Spokane's history, the Olive Avenue Bridge, built in the late 1800s, was a wooden structure that came into need of replacement in the early 1900s. After it was decided to build the new structure out of concrete, the new Olive Avenue Bridge was constructed in 1910. Later named the East Trent Avenue Bridge, this structure, with its beautiful signature Luton arch design, lasted an incredible 108 years. But now in 2018, it too is in need of replacement by the Washington State Department of Transportation.
The material technology of the age for concrete wasn't nearly as advanced as it is today. The concrete is degrading on the bridge, and so when we considered rehab versus replacement, the amount of concrete we would have removed to rehab the bridge would have essentially removed all of the bridge, and really we would be replacing the bridge no matter what. Another thing we had to really consider was the water effects from the Spokane River on the bridge. Water can do a lot of damage to a bridge, both on the concrete material as well as the foundations. The current bridge takes up a lot of water area. It's impacted quite a bit. So that's another reason why we need to basically try to get as much bridge out of the water as possible. Another thing we discovered about the existing bridge is it did not have the structural capacity to provide the connectivity the city was planning for vehicle traffic, pedestrian traffic, and bicycle traffic. By building a new bridge, it would allow us to provide whatever capacity for those three items that the city would like.
So my project team was tasked with replacing this 110-year-old beautiful structure. So we really tried to find where we could pay homage to the existing structure with the new structure. We have to build a new structure that is seismically sound, structurally sound, environmentally friendly. So we had those constraints in which we worked, but we wanted to make sure we kept touching little nuances to the existing bridge. We were able to do that by mimicking the barrier that is on the bridge behind me. We were able to do that with some relief in retaining walls throughout the area. Environmentally, what we were able to do is we raised the bridge 4 feet in the center, and we removed one of the piers, which will help when those spring flows, flood flows. The previous bridge with those beautiful arches also created damming for the water behind. We were able to alleviate that in the new design so that it flows through better. We've widened the bridge sidewalk so that the pedestrians and bicycles can pass through that area efficiently, as well as keeping bike path in the roadway for commuters, etc., that would utilize it for that as well. While we design our bridges with a 75-year life, we're very hopeful that we can get another 110 years out of the new structure that we saw with the existing structure.
With WSDOT leading the efforts, the research, planning, bridge engineering, design, and construction all come together to provide the city of Spokane with a modern, strong, safe bridge built at the highest level of design and technology to assure an aesthetically pleasing, superbly functional, long-lasting addition to Spokane's vibrant infrastructure.